Hi, today I'm going to be making dinner rolls, because one thing on keto, I miss bread. So I have a half a bag of mozzarella, a pinch of xanthan gum, a half a cup of almond flour, about a quarter cup of grated cheese. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder. I have a tablespoon of parsley, but you can put whatever you desire. You can do like rosemary, or you can do plain, and you don't have to put any spices, whatever you want. I have 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese and 1 egg. Just put it all together. Now that the dough is made, you roll some balls. And that's it, ready to go in the oven. 20 minutes, 400. So it's been 20 minutes, my rolls are done. Let them cool off, throw them in a freezer bag, and they're ready for you for whenever you want to pull one out and go to a restaurant with your family, or just pull it out just to have it. Enjoy.